Hi guys, it's Master Coach Tony Morgan, and today's video is on an ideal independent C24. So today's boiler, we've been called out regarding the F1 code, meaning low pressure. So on the investigation of the boiler, I looked at the pressure gauge, look under here, and if I can show you that there, it looks like there's pressure in it, but it's showing this code coming up. So I'm going to turn the boiler on and see what happens. Now I just need to reset the boiler, get rid of this code. So I'm just going to all that there. Let go. No, it's not quite gone yet. Try it again. So back to this position. No, it's still not gone again. We've either not got enough water in it, or what we're going to do, we're going to try and put some more water in it. If that doesn't work, then the pressure sensor could still be faulty. So that's done it. Put more in it and then it came on. So it's just purging at the moment. So that's our temporary fix, as I said. Just get some water in to get the customer up and running while we come back to change the pressure gauge. Now what we're going to do, we're going to put the heating on. So we always put the heating on first to get rid of the air out of the boiler. For the guys who've done my training, you'll know that's what we do, that's our process to do that first. You can hear the diverter valve open and hear that air get removed from the boiler, so that's been going around the system. So leave this for about a minute or two, clear any air out of the boiler, check the hot water, and then we're good to go. So that's a D symbol on now for hot water. I'm just waiting for that to fire up. The gas valve open, burner lit. So that's the hot water working as well. So that's going to be the end of this video done on this diagnostic, what you just seen on this low pressure problem. So as I said, click on the link below, and if you want to do, you can do, and you can download our free gift for you guys. So that's going to be the end of this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.